Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English, your go-to place for fun and easy English learning. In our last video, we talked about how to think in English. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out after this one. Today, we are going to learn some common English phrases that you can use in everyday conversation to sound more natural. Ready to add some new phrases to your English toolkit? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about greetings and small talk, something we use every day. Here are a few phrases to get you started. 1. How is it going? This is a casual way of asking someone how they are. You can use it with friends or colleagues. For example, hey John, how is it going? Number 2. What's up? This is another informal greeting. It is often used to ask what someone is doing or is there any news. For example, what's up Sarah? Number 3. Long time no see. Use this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. For example, hey Mike, long time no see. How have you been? Try using these phrases in your daily conversations. They make you sound friendly and approachable. Next, let's learn some phrases for asking for help or clarification. These are useful when you don't understand something or need assistance. Number 1. Could you please repeat that? Use this when you didn't hear or understand something. For example, sorry, could you please repeat that? Number 2. I didn't catch that. This is more informal way of saying the same thing. For example, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Number 3. Can you help me with this? A polite way to ask for help. For example, excuse me, can you help me with this form? These phrases are super handy when you are in a new place or talking to someone over the phone. Moving on, let's look at some phrases for giving opinions and making suggestions. These are great when you want to share your thoughts in a discussion. Number 1. I think that dash. This is a simple way to express your opinion. For example, I think that the movie was fantastic. Number 2. In my opinion, this is another way to share your thoughts more formally. For example, in my opinion, we should try a new approach. Number 3. How about use this when suggesting something. For example, how about we go out for dinner tonight? Using these phrases will help you sound more confident and clear when you speak. Now, it's your turn to practice. Imagine you are meeting a friend after a long time. Use some of the phrases we learned today and write a short dialogue in the comments. For example, person A, hey, long time no see, how is it going? Person B, hey, it's been a while, I'm good, thanks, what's up with you? Give it a try. Writing it down help you remember and use it later. Remember, learning a language is all about practice and consistency. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and you will be fluent in no time. If you found these phrases helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and lessons. And as always, leave a comment below with your favorite phrase from today's video.